what was your reason to come back to IQ?
मोस्टली जो मेरे को एक्टियो का आई फील एक्चुअली मेरे को जो टाइम बाउंड नहीं था एक्टियो में। मेनली 18 मंथ का कोर्स मेरे को बताया गया था पहले, मेरा जो करिकुलम था। पर बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट में क्या था ना कि 8 मंथ 9 मंथ में बहुत क्विक सेशन उनका क्लास चलता था, लाइक पार्ट डे 9 आवर क्लास चलता था। तो आई थिंक मीन्स उतना ग्रैब अप करना एंड टाइम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी नहीं था बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट में। बट एक्टियो में क्या था, 12 मंथ का कोर्स था आई थिंक, बट 18 मंथ का एक्सटेंशन था, टोटल 6 मंथ एक्स्ट्रा। तो दैट आई like click in my mind. And also Accio was providing unlimited mentorship, mock, etc.
Welcome everyone to IQ's channel. This is Saurabh, and Saurabh was with us as a merge student, and now he's placed. So before I tell you where he's placed and everything, Saurabh, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, first of all, I want to thank to Accio Job, and my name is Saurabh Garai. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have completed my graduate in BTech Computer Science from Kuchgar Government Engineering College in 2022. And later on, I have joined Accio Job in 2023. Then I also, previously, I also placed from Accio Job in a company, Medflix. And there I worked 8-9 months around, and then due to layoff I lost my job. Then again I got support from the Accio. Then I recently got placed a company with the help of Accio, that is Faster 7 Technology. Also I think their name has changed, Brainly AI, I think. So my offer letter I received that name. So that is
Gaurav, I know कि मतलब of course I don't know, but I feel कि how bad it could have been because आपने एक कंपनी ज्वाइन करी एक IQ के साथ और उसके बाद फिर ले ऑफ की वजह से you had to switch. So आपकी फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन था जब आपने उन्हें बताया कि मैं प्लेस हो चुका हूँ, इतने का पैकेज है and I am going to go to this place. So what was the reaction, your family, your friend?
Reaction actually, because it's not my first job, so it actually pretty normal tha. And first time to that was super excitement for all, and for me to then it is actually I was not getting job due to recession that time after my college. Actually I got job from Wipro, but they are not in the joining. So that's why I research about Accio. Many institute I have researched, but the feedback and the facilities and fee structure I got suitable about Accio. So that's why I joined Accio. And then
Okay, so what was the reason for you? Like you said, कि you joined IQ first, and then of course a tragedy happened. But what was your reason to come back to IQ? मतलब ऐसा आपको क्या दिखा, क्योंकि there are a lot of businesses just similar type of चीजें करते हैं, तो ऐसा IQ में आपको क्या लगा कि क्या different है या फिर क्या अच्छा था जिसकी वजह से आप वापस drawn in हुए और आपने वापस से IQ की मदद लेना better समझा?
तो मोस्टली जो मेरे को एक्टियो का आई फील एक्चुअली मेरे को जो टाइम बाउंड नहीं था एक्टियो में। मेनली 18 मंथ का कोर्स मेरे को बताया गया था पहले, मेरा जो करिकुलम था। पर बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट में क्या था ना कि 8 मंथ 9 मंथ में बहुत क्विक सेशन उनका क्लास चलता था, लाइक पार्ट डे 9 आवर क्लास चलता था। तो आई थिंक मीन्स उतना ग्रैब अप करना एंड टाइम फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी नहीं था बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट में। बट एक्टियो में क्या था, 12 मंथ का कोर्स था आई थिंक, बट 18 मंथ का एक्सटेंशन था, टोटल 6 मंथ एक्स्ट्रा। दैट आई click in my mind. And also Accio was providing unlimited mentorship, mock, etc. And like short and structured life plus, I think 3 hour every day is very good, I think, not too small. And also like we can prepare uh, later after class, those things. So that those points why I choose AccuJob over others.
Okay. So that brings me to the another question, which is if you had to summarize your whole journey with Accio, how would you do it in just like one line?
एक्चुअली जब मैंने AccuJob ज्वाइन किया था तब एक्साइटेड तो बहुत था बिकॉज ऑफ I was going to learn a new technology that was Monstack. I was like good in coding in Java, in Python. So mostly JavaScript was new for me. So that kind. So actually, AccuJob start our curriculum with Java also, and then shifted to the JavaScript front end and the like backend with Node, and also React before the Node. And the mock session like was very good and very helpful to preparing the real time interview. And one thing I want to share here, because in my journey I like experienced that. So firstly, when I complete a module, every month there was a mock, like I have to give mock. So in that case, every month I was waiting for filtration. So like fully prepare that would go for that way. It works for few months, and then when difficulty was like increased, and then at that time my mock also, because due to lack of preparation I was afraid to I was like not comfortable to give mock. But that time like I talked with one of mentor in Accio. So he told me you have like in month you have 2 chance, and like later on you can give the next month also. So I like with little preparation I also started giving the mock. And like one day, like for that na like one day came, like the situation came like every day I can give any mock, any interview, anything without any preparation, without any like uh, so AccuJob
You have built like confidence उतना build होता गया because अपने कहिए कि हाँ जैसे मैंने टीम डर का वो उसके बाद वो बागले टर्न आउट. So it requires a little bit of push from someone.
Yeah.
That is so miracle. So that brings me to my another question, which is कि if you had to have a suggestion that you could give to the students that are applying for jobs या फिर जो अप्लाई कर चुके हैं एंड मतलब उनको रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिल पा रहा है या दे आर फेसिंग कुछ इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, सो व्हाट इज सम piece of advice or some piece of or some experience that you would like to share with them so it can also motivate them and also tell them कि यार ये चीज अगर हम करेंगे तो बेटर हो सकता है.
Yeah, actually, first of all, I want to tell that like when any opportunities of for 5 opening, maximum 5 opening, even in 2 opening, 1 opening, and 100, 200 people are applying. So in that case, it's like it is like a reality that 5 candidate will be get more chance. Even you are so good in like even 195 other student is so good also. Work on your knowledge, get better giving mocks, and like making projects, small project, like learn like work on the basics, and then go for the like new technology. And also like when you learn anything new, try to implement and like try to implement it and push it into the GitHub. And then like and also like try to code like a structured manner, proper intent, comment also like comment also should be there, and a code structure should be like good. Like it actually help you to shortlist your resume. So think good project, good like presentation also shortlist help to shortlist, but I think good code quality also help to shortlisting.
Like a lot of interviews with people who have already faced, they have also said a very similar thing. So I think the audience can also take on the hint that everybody of you are giving who are placed. So I think I just want to ask you a last question. If there was a suggestion that you want to give to AccioJob, anything that you feel that we are lacking, or maybe perhaps we can do better and we can work on it, please share that with us so that for the students that are coming for another slot, we can help them out a little bit better and maybe we can learn from our experiences as well.
So actually, I also in past gave a lot of feedbacks like things. So I think AccioJob worked on that, and in past 3 months, in my experience with AccioJob, I saw the AccioJob already worked on those feedback and improved. I think group of shortlisted candidate already selected, and there will be happening. I think in that time ना AccioJob को एक मतलब मीटिंग क्रिएट करना चाहिए, आई थिंक कि ताकि कंपनी के बारे में, उस कंपनी का जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, मतलब एक्चुअल फोकस मतलब ये थिंक करना चाहिए मतलब हर इंटरव्यू से पहले. Actually, I have one more suggestion about AccioJob website. So in their profile sections, so if there will have 3 option to three type or 4 type resume we should upload. If we get chance to upload for backend resume, for front end, for full stack, like that. So it would be good for a student to make different resume and to for टाइम ऑफ अप्लाइंग, अप्लाई करने का टाइम क्या होगा ना, उसमें हम सिलेक्ट कर सकते कि बैकएंड के लिए बैकएंड वाला रिज्यूमे. सो आई थिंक इट विल बी वेरी गुड.
Hi Odi, I will share this feedback with the team and they can work on it and they can discuss how beneficial it can be. But of course I will share it and we will try to make it better. And Saurav, it was great talking to you.